loved ones, I'm going to show you how I started having views from 28 views, 23 views to 3 point something million views, up till how I got up to 8 million views on my comedy channel. So once again, my name is Hamza. You are highly welcome. I started this my YouTube channel in somewhere in 2023, and getting view became a problem to me. I will be posting videos, I won't be having views. I say, wait, what kind of problem is this? People are having views, but I'm not having views. Is it that YouTube hates me or what? So I stayed consistent. Like, I keep on posting video every day by day. I go to download videos, upload without watermark. So with time, I keep on posting this video. Do you know what helped me? Do you know how I started having more views? Okay, I started having the views when I stayed consistent. So that is when I came to understand that YouTube favor people that post video every day. Yeah, consistency. Because YouTube, when you post video, YouTube is going to carry this video, you understand, and be giving it out to people. They'll select people that watch that type of your video. They're going to select them one after the other and give the video to them. When they give the video to them, so they push it to people according to viewers' reaction. Like when people click or the comment, that is the engagement. That is one thing that is selling your video for you. In a situation whereby you're not having engagement, sorry, that video is not going anywhere. You understand? Your video is not going anywhere. So the secret is here. One of the major secrets here is the title. That title is very important. Yeah. When you are having title that people are searching, do you understand? It's going to have views. The situation whereby people are searching this your title is a keyword that people are searching for. You're going to have what you are looking for. But in a situation whereby, okay, for instance, now there is this title I use on one of my videos. It's a comedy video. I think I name it as Ronaldo Father's Cues. And do you know what? That video gave me 8 million views because of the search volume of that Ronaldo. You understand? They'll say, okay, when people see that, when you check Ronaldo's cues, so anything related to Ronaldo is going to come out. Do you understand? So search is giving me view. My thumbnail, the way I set the thumbnail, people are searching for this particular topic. You understand? Imagine if it's a topic that people are searching for. That is how you're going to be having views. But in a situation whereby the topic is not a trending topic, you're not going to get it now. Not like now, for instance, let me give you one trending topic now. For now, Pella is trending now because of the accident. There is a trending topic that Pella has been arrested or something. I saw something that he has been sentenced to 1 year imprisonment for something like. Okay, what are we saying here? What am I saying? My major emphasis here is, you see this thumbnail that some of us took for granted. Thumbnail can kill a video. This video, there is possibility that this video might be an amazing video, but your thumbnail will kill this video. Do you understand? So that is why YouTube introduced something called A/B testing. You understand? You can test 3 thumbnail and title at the same time, which you post them, you give it to YouTube. YouTube is going to post this video. So anyone that they discover that people are clicking more, that they will tell you that this one is far better in your thumbnail. Do you understand? Okay. So what are we saying here? The secret to get millions of views is no any other thing other than consistency and keyword research. Try to use something like Google Trends. Google Trends will help you and tell you about the trending topics, what people are looking for. Do you understand? So brother, my major focus is the new creators. If you know you are a new creator and you are posting video, you are not having view. For the fact you are not having view does not mean you not grow. Keep on posting. One will just skyrocket to where you want it to be. For the fact you are posting video now and you are not having this view. You see that my viral comedy TV 2254, you can go and check. It's a short. Go and click on shorts. You see my video. When I started that channel, I hardly get 20 views. But now I have a single video that is 3 million views, 5 million views. 8 million views on that viral comedy TV. Do you understand? But in a situation whereby, just had it mean I give up that time, I won't get to that 54,000 subscribers. How do I get them? By consistency. I wake up with YouTube in my mind. I think of YouTube every day, because creativity is very interesting something. You need to be creative. Do you understand? You need to be creative. In a situation whereby you are not creative, wahala dey, seriously. There is a problem, a serious problem. So you being a creator, you understand? Try to educate yourself about video editing. Try to have a mentor. Try to see how to do better in your videos. Try to see how you get a mentor, and try to do very well. Like, keep on posting videos. You understand? Educate people. YouTube wants originality. YouTube wants an authentic video. You understand? In fact, YouTube wants you to be creating these videos by yourself. They don't want you to be using people's video. See, strike is real. They will send you strike. 3 months you will not be able to post video. That is YouTube for you. And it's none of their business. They don't care how you live, how you feel. Do you understand? If you find this video interesting, I don't want money. What I'm educating you, I'm telling you from experience. I don't want you to give me money. But what I want is, I want you to comment, like this video, and also share, so that people will learn what I'm teaching you on this. So I'm going to drop later, maybe today or tomorrow, I'm going to drop a video on how you can, my next video is how you can create an amazing thumbnail. The second video I'm going to make is how to create a YouTube channel in a professional way by yourself. Another video I'm going to make is how to use Canva by yourself. Learn how to use Canva. Canva, you can learn how to edit videos on Canva, how to do thumbnail on Canva, how to do a lot of things on Canva. So Canva is very interesting, and it's going to help you. Very, very interesting. You understand? Learn how to use Canva. It's going to help you very well. See you in my next video. Once again, my name is Hamza Yakubu TV. Subscribe to this Hamza Ibadan TV. My name is Hamza. I'm from the northern part of Nigeria. If you're a new YouTuber and you want me to educate you more, you might see that I don't have enough subscribers on this channel because I started this channel new. But go and check my viral comedy TV 225, I have over 54k. You can also check on my TV 225, for that one has over 200 subscribers. So keep on posting video. You don't know the one that will just skyrocket. You don't know the one that will change your story. My brother, thank you. See you in my next video.